Valve's $400 and up Steam Deck handheld is less than 2 weeks away from a launch, but you can already see its guts spread across a table in no fewer than 4 teardown videos, including a new one published today by our friends at iFixit. What's more, Valve has announced today that it's making good on its promise to sell replacement parts for the Steam Deck so you can repair it yourself, and it has made iFixit the first authorized seller of parts for both the new Deck and the existing Valve Index VR headset. Unfortunately, Valve isn't yet saying which parts will be available. When I asked if the Deck's screen and battery might be among them, Steam Deck designer Lawrence Young told me it's still working with iFixit to hammer the details out. But it might not be too surprising if those key components aren't made available right away, since iFixit's teardown shows they're among the hardest to. In the video teardown, iFixit praises many elements of the Steam Deck's repairability, like how it takes just 3 screws to easily replace each thumbstick or a single screw in a slip-on ME shield to replace the SSD. But the screen has a bit of adhesive that'll mean you'll need careful application of heat and some suction cups, and the battery looks even harder too. Battery replacements definitely seem to be the Steam Deck's Achilles heel, says iFixit's video narrator, repeatedly attacking the adhesive with flat scraping tools and eventually managing to pry the 40.04 watt-hours, 7.7 volts, 5,313 mAh pack out. iFixit also shows off the handheld's magnesium internal frame, some unusual springs that give the touchpads some physical clickability, and the wires that power the touchpads atop each stick, which can let you activate your aiming in games without taking your thumbs off the sticks. It's pretty neat. Want even more visibility inside the Steam Deck? You've got 3 other teardowns to watch too, like this one from Gamers Nexus that goes super in-depth on the Steam Deck's power circuitry and thermals. Or this terribly named one from Linus Tech Tips that he did live. LTT's teardown gives us our best look at Valve's custom AMD Apu, dubbed Aerith after the Final Fantasy VII heroine. You can also now 3D print Steam Deck shells and design accessories since Valve released the CAD files the other day. And I'll be bringing you a full review of the Steam Deck once the launch embargo lifts. Related, watch the first Steam Deck hardware reviews, nearly 2 hours of impressions. Valve opens up a Steam Deck to explain why it thinks you shouldn't. In this stream, Valve's Steam Deck, all the news about the new gaming handheld. View all 19 stories. Recommended by